Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CK Graphics. My name is Chetan. Today I will show you how to create this shadow effect in Photoshop. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's begin. Open the file and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J and rotate it. Hold Shift and rotate it to the 180 degree. And align it neatly. Now press OK. Hold Alt and press Mask. Now go to gradient layer. Select Mask and drag it like this. That's it. This is how you create a shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.